Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate an AI business avatar video in CapCut. So I'm going to show you step by step, it's pretty easy. You just have to open up your CapCut project, then go to the text menu, which is the third option on the bottom. Then select the first option, which is add text. When you have that, a text box is going to show up on your timeline just like this, and then select AI avatars, which is going to be around the middle.
Hey, how are
Then this huge library of different AI avatars is going to show up, but we are looking for professional business talking head videos, which is going to be the third option from the right side. And this is going to open up this business tab, and you can select any of these avatars, and it is going to apply for your text that you have introduced.
Hey, how
this
are
is
you
a
today?
text.
So it's pretty easy to do. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider sending a super thanks donation.